Carlota Hotel right in the middle of the old town in Quito, the highest capital of the world, at about 9,500 feet. And we got in last night. Today is a rest day between our adventures, and we're at this really nice restaurant here at the Carlota. It's a nice place. And Pepper, you're having what? Waffles. And Micah, you're having what? Waffles. Right. Did you guys watch Simpsons last night? Did you watch TV?
I was sleeping.
You were sleeping? Okay. Well, we have a really nice buffet breakfast. And we're going to go do our laundry. And we hope we're going to go up the Teleferique and see the whole city from the top of the mountain. 4,100 meters. 4,100 meters. How does it feel?
Terrible.
Are you gonna yak?
I guess.
No. Are you exhausted?
Yeah.
Do you want to run?
No.
Do you want to swing? How does it feel to be at 4,000 meters?
I want to die.
Oh, that's nice. Well, this is our big adventure. It's very windy. And we're at the top of Quito, Ecuador, ready to go to the rainforest. And now we're here in central Quito. And why are we here?
Because of crepes.
Crepes. What crepes are you going to have? Cinnamon sugar crepes.
Oh, yes.
Let's go.
Where are they?
We're in Quito in the central square. And we're at our favorite crepe place in the information office. So if you're in Quito and you come to the information office, get the crepes. What have you got? This is a cinnamon sugar chocolate sauce crepe.
So I just
and
folded
what is
those.
that? How many have you had today?
Look, Daddy.
That's your second. You're
I
folding?
just folded these two over here.
Okay.
Now,
What's your folding plan? That's your folding plan?
yeah.
All right.
Now I eat it.
Like a burrito?
Yeah. That's Michael.
Okay, eat it. However you want. It's up to you.
Oh, it's kind of like.
Yay. Yay. You do it however you want. Not chocolate all over your white shirt. That's why we have these things. This invention is called the napkin.
Whoa. I didn't know that.
Oh yeah. You can wipe your fingers off after they get chocolatey. Crazy.
I ate it all. But I ate
You
it.
just made 2 crepes go
Daddy,
away in like 3 minutes. Can you start eating your your specially folded? Oh yeah. Okay. We'll just have to see how this turns out later.
Spaghetti.
Today is the 10th of July 2019. Today we came from Quito to the Ecuadorian rainforest. How many hours did we spend in the car? 8 hours in the car.
I love this. I'm gonna sit here.
Now we're on a boat on the way to the Anaconda Lodge. Did you throw up on the boat? On the drive over?
No, tried it.
Hey, don't get totally soaked. Did you throw up on the drive over?
About 6 times.
About 6 times. Yeah, we had some serious bathroom action on the trip over and lots of stops. But now we're here in the Ecuadorian rainforest. It's just awesome. Where are we, guys?
Spider-Man.
Where are we, Micah?
With Spider-Man.
Spiders in the jungle?
Micah struggles.
This is our first full day in the jungle on the Napo River. How was the car ride yesterday?
Bad. So bad. Terrible.
Threw up 6 times. It was a It was a 4 Dramamine day. And now we're in the rainforest. We're learning about plants and all the uses of plants in the rainforest.
This is what people use for brooms.
For sweeping, yeah, for a broom.
Your
What's
dust.
that, Pepper?
I don't know. I'm making stuff
Some
out of fiber.
Okay.
This
And this
gonna
is
be
the
my
Panama
maiden
hat. This is for making Panama hats. This tree.
I got the broom.
Okay, this one is the fiber is the inside. There's another user.
I made this.
Mm-hmm.
A ring. So I can whack people.
Are you sweeping?
I'm trying to get it right. Now I can dust it. Now I have a broom.
Mm-hmm.
A broom.
Now what's Cesar doing? He's aligning everything.
Bugging my nose.
There's a lot of bugs.
Yes. Look what I made, Nessa. Oh. Hello. He made a broom for me. Well, that's a sharp broom. No, it's not.
He's doing something.
I'm brushing you off. Is it a whip?
This is the uses the for make the hat.
The Panama hat.
Oh,
Yeah, it's the Panama hat. Now the uses the fiber. Yeah,
I made this out of fiber.
this is good.
He made
I
it.
uses the make the necklace,
Oh.
the bracelet.
Mm-hmm.
What is this in the middle?
Here's a headband for Micah.
Gives you superpowers. Whip.
Pepper.
Whip.
Pepper.
Wait.
Hey, try
Please,
being a little
no.
nicer than that.
No, I
Okay?
have to watch.
It's not so nice.
He's the king.
It's not so nice though.
He's now
It's
the
not so
king.
nice though. You know.
The king.
You could try to be. Could you try to be a little nicer? Tell
Okay,
everybody on
fine.
YouTube about what's right and what's wrong.
What? I'm happy now.
Ta-da! A crown. A crown for Micah. Pepper.
Moment.
What?
Is it just that you need attention? Is that it? Uh-oh.
Micah, you have a little thing there. Don't mess it up.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Mess that up.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Say gracias.
Gracias. Oh, look at those caterpillars or something.
What is it?
What do you see?
Lines on the elephant ear.
it's the country.
Elephant ear plants.
Yeah.
Nice hats.
My sire. You are the king.
Nice hats in the rainforest. If you have a deep cut in your skin, sometimes if you can find the right ants,
Then you get them. You put them on here
the cut,
on the cut between both sides. Then
and
it's
they
like
pinch
that.
you.
They pinch you. Then you twist the body off, and then the head stays on with the the
doing
mouth
something.
teeth. The teeth then latch on and keeps the skin together.
It's called a tag.
It keeps the skin together. So then you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the other side if it goes through your hand.
Yeah,
And
it's like a suture.
And then so
Hey, you got a funny nose.
You want
Rainforest with funny noses.
Yeah.
Funny
Made
hats.
from that.
Man.
Those seeds.
Yeah.
Here's Micah with a little salamander that Cesar found on the. You're shading him with your.
He needs
Put him
to
in
be
the
in the
light.
shade. Your new little
You can
cup.
see him.
Little cup.
Oh, he needs some water.
Come on. Stop, don't force him. Let him walk around.
Sticky.
Of course he's sticky. He's a salamander. So long. We found another frog.
It's not hurt.
Oh, look. I like the blue and red of this guy.
He's playing dead. He's playing dead.
Come on, give it to me.
Here, Micah.
In a second.
A tiny frog, the world's smallest frog.
They don't like each other.
There you go. Where did he go?
Where's the
He's
small
right here, Shy. He's right here.
Oh, there he is.
World.
Here, let me get
I
the
want
big
the
Tiny
blue
frog.
one.
Oh. Careful, don't smash him.
I got him.
Okay, let go quickly. Let go.
Oh, there.
Got him. What?
Is he blue and red?
Yeah, he's blue and red. Can't go into
I've
me.
seen pictures of him. Oh,
Where?
so small.
Into me.
Another one?
Shy, can you go with this?
Catching 2 frogs. Here, get him.
Wait.
Put him on your hand. Here.
Well, I'm just yelling a lot.
I'll place him, okay? I'll place him. I'll place him on your
Careful,
hand.
careful.
I'm not squeezing him. 2. Micah, drop it.
Hey, the other frog. That's
got
why
him.
I said, oh.
I got him. I got him.
Yeah.
I the little
They play dead.
frog.
They play dead.
Smaller than my pinky finger.
They like playing dead.
He's not an adult. He's not adult.
Adult, yes.
Is an adult?
Yes, adult.
That's an adult.
Why is
This
it?
is this adult.
Adult, this one is.
Yes.
There you go. Poison dart frog on your hand.
Oh, this is so cool. It's so blue and red.
Yeah, I know. Did you get him?
Oh. You get the little one now.
It's a micro frog.
This one's gonna be mine.
So
okay?
sticky.
This one's gonna be mine. I'm keeping him.
This is Tarzan take 1.
You're doing it with the boots. Everyone's doing it with boots.
Shoot.
Micah's
I
turn.
could do it longer. It just hurt my leg.
Micah, can you help? Can you? Hey, Pepper, hold him so he can. Hold him up so he can get his grip. Get a grip on there, Micah.
Ready, Micah?
Hands up, hands go up, hands up higher. Gotta go way up. Yeah, put up, Micah.
Ready?
Hands up.
Ready, Micah?
They are.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Watch out, Micah.
I wanted blue Micah. Okay, ready?
Nice.
Hey,
It's hard, Micah. Micah, you need help. Cesar, can you help Micah? Pepper, hold the vine while Cesar picks up Micah.
I'll hold one. I got the one.
Yeah.
Hold on, Micah.
Okay.
1,
Ready?
2,
Good.
3, go. Whee!
Your legs.
Hold on. Wait till it gets to the top. Okay, ready? Let go.
Let go.
Okay. Ready? Jump. Yeah, jump.
Okay.
Jump. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Oh!
That's such a stupid way of saying it.
That made me laugh. That made me laugh.
Okay. Yeah. Ready?
Oh!
One more.
It's Tarzan, Michael. Hold on. Okay, let go.
I beat on the rope.
They're everywhere.
They're they don't like the smell.
What ants are those? But what ants are those?
They look like bullet ants.
Are they bullet?
These are bullet ants.
These are bullet ants?
Yeah, these are bullet ants.
Oh my
This is the bullet ant. Yeah, these are the bullet ants. You don't want to touch those guys.
Oh!
They live under there.
But so these guys and ladies don't like the smell of human spit. So
Yeah,
so he
it
just
bothers them, so they came
spat
out.
on the stick.
What if you take the stick?
He just spat on the stick.
Careful.
They just spat on the stick. He just spat on the stick. And now, so what's happening is they don't like it and they're all getting angry.
This is the fruit from
Duckies.
the cacao trees that we have here in
It's super endangered. Look
Ecuador.
at it. Look at it. Look at it.
and
Look
this
at
are
it. Now look at me.
this is the pith that surrounds the seeds
I'm just good.
of the
Farted.
Can you bite the seed?
nah, bad idea.
Why?
Bitter. There, here's the duck.
Don't bite the seed.
Yeah, don't bite the seed.
No, ducky.
And this is the Forastero breed of cacao.
Gimme.
And these pods are not allowed in the United States, so you can't get them in the United States. But these seeds are packed together. It's about 30 seeds in a pod. And this is the Forastero species. And the chocolate has a bit of a taste of coconut in when you make the
I
chocolate.
opened the ducky.
And it's lemony and delicious.
Super.
And monkeys love these.
Watch this. I can do a trick.
That's a trick.
A trick. Give me more so I
Let
You
can.
don't
me
like
try.
them?
I need to take all of them in my mouth.
No, I need like.
No, here, take here. Eat it. Pepper.
I want one.
Okay, they're so good.
More.
You're showing how you can spit it out. That's lovely. That's
One more.
slimy but lemony. Slimy but lemony. I'm glad we found one. There's only one that was yellow in the whole. Can show the outside. Yeah, the outside of the pod.
Some termites.
Here's the pod. This is the Forastero. We call it a melonado. But it has some bumps. And bumps means better taste. It's not shiny.
Can I have one more?
It's not shiny and smooth. It has bumps.
I need one more.
And that's good. That means more taste.
I need one more. Can I have one more?
Okay.
Wait, is this the stuff that you make chocolate with?
Yeah, you take these beans. We're going to see. You roast them.
Wait, are we gonna do that?
Can I have
We're
more?
gonna do that, yeah.
Table trees. They look in the.
We saw the cotton
Yeah, we
jungle.
saw it.
It's the cotton, okay?
Okay.
It's good for use it on the before the use the dirt for the animals in the jungle. Yeah. And before not use the rifle, she uses the
Yeah.
The blow.
what do you
Yeah,
call
yeah.
it? Or this the birds or the monkeys or the other animals in the inside, the tapirs, deers, peccaries, okay, and the dart and the sharp is the use the poisonous. They look in the jungle. It's curare by
Curare.
is the poisonous, not the frog. Yo,
The
primero.
Yusho. Yeah.
Okay,
Let's see.
Oh,
Wait, me?
Micah first?
for me.
He's going to
Very
show
look
first.
for the good luck.
I thought you were saying me.
No.
Chicken.
That's so long.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
What? He shot the wing. Oh no, he didn't.
So right in the middle.
In the belly button. No, actually, here's the belly button.
He got the owl.
Yes.
But you hit the little spot. You only hit this.
Aim it.
Slowly, slow and steady.
In the face! In the face!
Micah, are you recording? Go over.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
You got it in the nose? Oh my gosh, right in the nose hole.
I wanted to hit the chicken.
No, that would be bad stuff.
Right in the nose.
But I got it in the forehead.
That's right in the nose.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'll be on Shy's
For
line.
you, video.
I'll be on Shy's line this time. I'm on Shy's line.
Okay.
Give me.
Come over here. Is it recording?
One moment. One
Yes.
moment.
Gotta put it in.
I
didn't tighten mine.
I can't see the body.
Tell me where you want my hand.
There.
No. Yeah, it's okay.
Yes. That sounded good.
Where did you
In
just
the
hit it there in the
Yeah,
neck?
I just shot it.
Oh, nice, right there. Poor little owl.
Okay.
We're good at this.
Yes.
Wait, did he shoot?
I shot it right in the middle. Right in the chest.
I didn't make the sound effect. I didn't see it. No, but I got it higher. Okay, I'm not gonna brag
Right in the
now.
heart. Right in the heart.
This is
Teaching us Quechua language.
Come.
Ali
Chishi.
Ali Chishi. That means good afternoon.
Ali Chishi.
Ali Chishi.
Yes.
Ali
Ali
Chishi.
Chishi.
Yeah. First, the culture, the family Quechua is the touch. Ali
Ali Chichi.
Chishi.
Chishi.
She pudibidi.
Ali Chishi.
Ali Chishi.
Ali Chishi.
Ali Chishi.
Ali Chishi.
Yeah, this is the
That's what you're going to do.
Wait,
Say
now?
With who?
Oh, that's for trying. It's hot.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
This is
like
yucca
potato.
banana potato.
Banana potato?
No potato.
Hot.
Yeah, Micah, it's just a potato. It's good.
I'm thirsty though. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
It's just to try something.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Mama?
So they mash up the pestle is made of a very hard wood, very hard tree, and then the tray is made from cedar wood. That goes into a leaf.
AKA plate.
Kind of like a plate. Hmm. Then wrap it up. And that's the string. That's the string from the Panama hat leaf.
Yeah.
They can use that for all kinds of things. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's right. That makes the roof.
It's a little chicken. Can you give him to me? No. Be
He's a
comfortable.
little bit stressed.
There you go. It's a little chicken.
How do I put him down?
Maybe just let him go.
No, like this. Like a.
Okay, this is being.
Yeah.
This is chicha. The
It's
Chichwa
not that
drink is
good.
called chicha. It's a ceremonial drink.
It's not.
This is a yucca plant that's been mashed up and fermented for 6 days.
Tastes so weird.
And it tastes weird.
I don't like it.
This is our second full day of adventure in the rainforest. Where are we?
With a puppy.
With a puppy. Pepper, what are we going to do?
We are going to ask Micah.
What are we going to do?
River rafting.
River rafting. Cornbread. No, Micah, no, we gotta get a bunch of people in the boat, Micah. Micah, no. That's my kid. Micah, stay close to the boat. Okay, I'm ready. Micah, go inside, Micah, inside. Cornbread. Stay in the boat. Broccoli! What?
My belly.
Your what?
My belly.
That was your belly. Oh, that was broccoli rapid. Cool. Inside, inside. Whoa. Whoa. Look at me. Whoa. Okay, we have a big rock. Big rock. Big rock, Micah. Pay attention. Woohoo! Inside, inside! Micah! He said inside. Micah, you okay?
Oh my God!
Today is Sunday. I think it's our fourth full day or our third full day.
Yeah, we're being
where are
invaded
we?
by butterflies.
Where are we, Pepper?
It's the
At a scary place. They're on the ceiling. Woo! But I don't want
We're at a butterfly farm on the Napo River near the Casa del Suiza. Look at this, guys, boys. Look. Be calm. Look, Micah. Boys.
I'll save you. Hey, there's one on the camera. Hey, there's one on the camera. Look. Hey, there's 5 on the camera. Oh, maybe there's one on your shoulder too, Daddy. Hi. Help. Stop, Micah. Wait, bring the GoPro down.
There's one just sitting on top of the camera. No, it's don't. Careful. Oh, he's getting on.
I got
There
him.
you go. You got him.
Micah, look.
Put him by your face.
No.
Look at that.
He's beautiful. He's full of booties. He's beautiful.
Look at his little tongue that can curl.
Yeah.
His tongue can make.
They have a
His
little-
tongue is feeling
Micah,
you.
look. His tongue is feeling me. His tongue is feeling me. Micah's horrified of butterflies. Hey, come back. There you go.
We're gonna play this at your wedding, Micah.
Yay. Hey, I have one on my pinky and my index.
You'll never have a wedding. If you're calm. For some reason, they like this area right here behind the camera.
Yeah, right there.
The black ones do.
Yeah, the black ones. Hey, there's one on your shoulder. Let me get him quickly. Alright, I got him. Oh no, he flew. I still got one though.
Micah,
Come back.
don't move fast here.
Micah, they're so cute. Micah, I know they look scary, but they feel so soft. That's proof that there's a butterfly on the camera. Look at the wings. Oh, where is he? I can't see him.
He's on your hair.
He's inching around your face.
It feels good. It feels like a massage.
Inchworm.
Oh, it tickles. He's tingly. He's tingly.
He's climbing your hair.
It's gonna go viral.
He's climbing
We
in.
found an inchworm on a boat somehow. How did we... Oh, there he is on my hair. Oh, wow. Hi, Jeff. How are you? Good? Decent?
Mr. Jeff.
He can inch across my mouth.
Squat. So there was this guy here, and I said, "Hey,
Yeah.
come look," and I didn't see this guy
Yeah,
here.
well, we saw him next.
and then the guy.
This is
and then,
the tailless whip
and then
scorpion.
Caesar came over
And he
and
has
said,
very
"Oh my gosh."
long feelers. He can feel my camera from here. He has super long feelers. I don't know if you can see that. They're way out to here. There, he's feeling all over. And he's not dangerous.
Oh yeah.
He's not dangerous.
Hey, look, there's a spider here.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh. I really want a snake as my pet now.
What kind is this? What kind of snake is this?
Can I touch him?
I'm so happy now.
Touch him. Oh, it's so wet. It's wet.
I'm so happy now.
Can I hold him?
What kind is
Oh,
this?
don't just throw him onto me.
What?
Seriously.
Do you want him? Well, here.
I want him,
Put
but
your
don't
hand
just
out.
throw him onto me. Is
Shine.
my light on?
Here.
Does it work like that? Does it just...
There you go. Don't worry. Don't be nervous. He's fine.
Don't.
Cute. It's a cute
He's
snake.
so nice.
Cute snake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn him up
Come back
closer
to
to your
me.
face. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Hey.
Yeah, you can give him to me.
You're so
wait,
smart.
wait,
Put him up closer to your face.
Fine. He doesn't. He's not
He's
gonna hurt you.
tangling my fingers.
He won't hurt you,
fine, he's
Shine.
Oh, he really is tangling that finger up, kinda. This is the new Jeff. The new, inchworm.
Oh, don't bite me though.
Just be calm.
Can
with
they
the
bite?
Snake.
Can they bite?
No bite.
Do they bite?
No.
No bite. Just be calm with snakes because you don't want to hurt him. He has bones. You can break a bone.
Because the touch is strong.
Yeah.
Don't. Yeah. Just very gentle.
Shine, I want.
I'm trying, Micah. I'm doing my best.
just
This
relax.
is as much as I
Hey.
can.
Okay.
Do you want me?
I'm trying.
Just don't bite me.
It's like a
Don't move
bracelet.
fast. It's like a bracelet.
Yeah.
Do you use both hands?
He's
or?
happy. He's very happy right there with you.
Take my light.
Oh my
not-
God, this head is very good. Like a
I can't
cobra.
see a thing. It's
Cobra.
just like...
Like a cobra.
He's asleep.
It's a ring. Look, I got a ring.
Don't move fast, Pepper.
Shine, I want.
I have brass knuckles.
I
Yeah.
really want to.
I can punch you.
Well,
Pow.
what kind of snake it's called?
What?
Name. What
It's
name?
looking at me
it's,
right in my eyes. I'm trying to give it to you.
Snake,
Okay,
it's,
you're getting
it's near,
hypnotized.
Snake.
Huh?
It's near.
Snare?
It's near.
Snare?
It's near.
I'm
it's
trying.
Snail.
I'm doing
Snail
my
is
Snail.
best.
He eats snails.
Yes.
Oh,
So
that's
it's
him.
It's
snail.
the small one is snail is the eating the
Small snails.
snake.
Careful.
Yeah.
It's so little.
I'm petting it really
Well, maybe
lightly.
Pepper can try to slip it off.
Oh my
I'm
God.
doing my
it's-
best.
He's
shucks.
found a new friend.
Oh, shoot.
He's supposed to be my
How am I
friend.
to untie this? Am I just gonna walk like this the whole way?
No, not the here. It's
Just walking around.
Just,
No, I want.
okay.
I want.
It's like a bracelet.
Micah, I'm doing my best. I
No,
really.
just take one finger at a time and pull him out away.
Oh, look, his tail is like wrapped up around
Yeah.
himself.
Yeah, he's all tight.
That's kind of mean.
Yes, look there. It's in here. It's,
He's literally.
yeah.
Yeah.
He nodded
It's not
himself.
possible to move it.
I can't. I'm
Wait, I need to find my.
gonna
We
have
need
to cut him
another
in half.
snake.
Put your fingers. Oh,
No, the snake will do it. The snake will do it himself.
Snake, can you do this for me?
Oh my gosh, he's so nice.
Don't make him bite me.
Whoa, don't be
No, no,
fast.
no,
Don't
no.
move
Whoa,
fast.
he's doing it. I'm not doing anything.
Don't move fast.
Yeah.
It's my bracelet. My
It's in the ears now. I think inside.
Don't want that. Do not.
Yeah.
That's why I have
It's
short
my
sleeves.
bracelet.
That's the bracelet.
My
You
bracelet.
don't want to
Same
be there.
there.
My best friend, Mr.
Look at this.
Bracelet.
It's the same the
Let me
snake.
see. Let me pet him.
It's similar to a snake,
I just
yeah.
want to pet him. Let me see him. I just want to pet him.
He's smelling you. He's smelling you.
He smells.
Sure, that's how he smells.
Lick me.
He's not licking, he's smelling. He doesn't have, that's his nose.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
licking me. He's licking me. He was.
Yeah,
licking
he
me.
doesn't like
He
that.
doesn't have much spit. It's just like, okay, I need a flashlight.
That's how he smells.
I would like a
In
flashlight.
this hand. cool, huh?
And it should come up here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look.
And now you can move over to me.
Yeah.
Oh. He's so nice, though. He's so gentle.
did he just poop?
The light.
Don't know.
Did
Probably
it
not.
just
The
poop?
light
Good
is
job if he did.
Unlikely.
Yeah.
Trying to smell me. Smell.
I am the king of snakes.
Oh my gosh.
This
I don't know.
is a baby
I
caiman.
get the reptile.
Just don't choke him.
Oh,
Micah, look at me. Micah,
I've
this is a baby caiman.
he's scary.
Hold
No,
on.
he's not. They
scary.
don't attack you. They're
They're
caimans. They're
found
not
here
like
in the-
crocodiles
How
or
do you
anything.
hold it?
Wait, let Micah show
Is
me.
it like
Micah
a
has a snake
lizard?
and a caiman
Seriously?
I have the
at the
reptiles.
same
He even had a
time.
frog too.
And that's a baby. There you go. Okay, now. Pepper has a caiman.
Whoa.
That's a baby caiman. How old? How old?
What? Oh,
A hatchling.
wow,
About
it's in 3
2 months?
Yeah,
3 months?
3 months.
They go like this.
Yeah,
Oh, don't want to scare them.
yeah.
It's a month. Baby.
Oh, there's a lot of bugs here.
Yeah, they're on the caiman too.
They're on everybody.
They're on everything.
Let me see your snake, Micah.
Snake and caiman best friends.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
wrapped
Oh, it likes
around
the-
my thumb.
It really likes the camera.
He got his little
Hold
thing.
on.
I'm trying to get him out.
It's watching the light.
Look, he's wrapped around. He got him.
Look how long his tail is. He has a long tail.
Oh.
They're super skinny here too.
It's like a little dinosaur.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Well, he's getting prepared to jump.
Oh, squeezing my
Not
pinky
so
finger.
sure that's good. Oh no, he's good.
He likes to
He's the
wrap
same,
things.
the dinosaur.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, it looks like a little
He's doing
dinosaur.
something.
Look how little
Can
Spot
I see the
is.
orange eyes?
We call
Here.
Mr. Snake Spot.
Oh, thank you.
Machete. Oh my gosh.
Let me see. Here, wait. You get the light again. You get the light again.
We got 2 reptiles to get today.
You just do that, huh? Okay.
Shy.
What?
Put Jimmy over on my arm.
And some people have
It's looking right in your eyes.
as
It's like,
pets.
Hello.
Some people have the snail snake as a pet at home,
Yes.
and they give snails.
This is nice. I'm not lonely anymore.
bruh.
I was never lonely.
Wait. Don't move.
No, you
don't move.
weren't.
Don't move, Micah.
It's good.
No,
Gentle, just be super gentle.
I want him as my pet now.
Well,
Mm-hmm.
you can talk to mommy when you get back.
Wow.
Yeah. We have 3 of them.
We have 2
Hello.
of those.
Yeah.
He's saying hello to you guys and girls.
What you got there?
Fiber. Or whatever hearts of palm is.
It's not hearts of palm. It's from this called the Panama hat tree, and
It tastes good.
This is a young shoot. You can just pull it out.
And then just
And have a
start
snack.
eating.
It just sits here in the middle.
It tastes a bit like hearts of palm. Yeah, and it's a nice snack
Whenever you're hungry.
when you're hungry in the jungle.
I want more.
So Shai's
we
eating
have-
ants right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we
They're sour
discovered lemon
ants.
ants. They're in this hole,
I love them.
in this
There's
tree
so
here.
many.
And Pepper is eating them
I want
Yeah,
more.
it's
because
good,
they're very
Micah.
sour.
Try.
Are there more?
Shai, there's more in your hand.
Yeah.
Just dump all of them out.
Those
Shai.
are
this.
sour lemon ants, and they're delicious.
Yeah.
No, they're not.
Here, watch.
I don't think they are. They're just on your tongue. Just lying around.
That's
being
proof.
warm.
I love them.
But you're
Here's one.
eating them. You're eating
Yeah,
them.
he's eating
let me get some
ants.
Should I just dump the whole thing out? Seriously.
Here, let me.
I think it's gone, maybe.
No, there's still a lot more
Is
ants.
there more? Can I have some more? Caesar.
More ants.
Hey.
See, here's the ants living in this tree. They
Yeah.
have a home there.
Hey, there's one back here.
And you can take off.
They're gonna come marching
Do they
out.
bite?
Okay.
That was more.
The tree is the lemon trees. First, the trees to know the fruit in the lemon. Is the
Doesn't have lemon fruit.
Yeah,
it
it's
has
the
lemon ants.
lemon ants. As the ants is the house is the tree.
Live in the tree, yeah.
Yeah. Is come the symbiotic.
Symbiotic.
Symbiotic, yes. Yeah, it's the small one, the ants, and the sour, or the acid in the here is the other plants.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I use the lemon trees.
They kind of hurt
is
your
good.
tongue.
What?
They kind of like sting.
You think?
Not really.
Nah.
No, they don't like sting.
Yeah, for you there's
But
the
the
sting around
lemon-
the ants. It's the sour is the ants.
Yeah.
Look,
Can I
it's-
have more?
and the inside is for you here.
That's
It's
how
a
the
small one.
door.
Yeah. Mm. It's good. No, right?
I'll have some.
There's so many.
Debbie?
in there.
Here's
I
some
want some.
ants.
Gross.
They're sour.
Yes.
That's so weird.
They're sour. Lemon ants. We're eating lemon ants. They're
I want
gone.
more.
Not me, not
They're
me.
gone.
I'm never gonna eat them.
Micah, try one.
They're sour, Micah.
Try one.
No.
It's
Why?
okay. He doesn't have to.
Look how many. Like one.
So sour.
Yes. It's very good. It's good for the protein or the no hungry.
Micah, what do you have
We
here?
found a longer snake than Spot. It is a snail snake, but longer.
Uh-huh. It's a more adult, and it has a bit of red, brown,
Brownish reddish.
Super scaly.
brown.
It doesn't like the camera. I was like, no.
It's good. Of course, not the touches. It's
Not strong.
It's strong, yes.
No,
Yeah.
touch him. Can I hold him?
He's smelling.
Why?
Well,
It's smelling.
Shy wants the snake, and now
fine,
let's
Micah.
try.
Oh.
Micah.
Seriously, oh, don't get too close to my face. That is too close. Can you untangle your tail, maybe?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Oh, whoa, you're just
He's
whipping.
very long. Where is she?
Micah, you stay away, and then you'll have a turn in a minute.
Doesn't like light.
We're
Doesn't
just
like light.
doing
Here, give me the
one-
light.
Doesn't
No,
like
give me the
light.
No,
Okay, don't.
I won't.
Just make him face away from the camera.
It's fine.
Can you give me the light?
No.
Sure.
Because this is much farther away. So.
Can't twist forever.
I can't just.
There you go.
Okay, let's go now.
And I'm blinded by the light.
He needs to smell me.
Right.
Whenever you touch
Snake.
him.
Don't move fast. Are you happy?
Yeah. I'm trying to be very gentle.
Good.
I never looked under a snake. It's just like on the top. Look.
Yeah.
There's the frog is the same face the monkey. It's a monkey.
Monkey face frog.
Look at the song.
Can I see the monkey face? Shine.
Monkey face frog.
Where's organs and stuff? Like glass frogs.
There you go.
He's like a little tree frog, but he's not.